Hey there, I'm Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Patient Lift. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through assembling the AltiCare non-slip raised toilet seat, which adds 5 inches of height to your existing toilet. It makes everything easier for users to sit down and stand up. That means less strain on the knees, hips, and back when using the bathroom. To begin, you're gonna locate the small number engraved at the end of each arm. One arm will be marked with a 1 and the other arm marked with a 2. Now you're gonna look underneath the raised toilet seat base. You'll see matching numbers, 1 on the side and 2 on the other, next to the arm connection inserts. Take arm 1 and align it with the opening labeled 1 on the side of the base. Make sure the brass locking button is facing outward. You're gonna press the button in and slide the arm down into the opening until you hear a click. The button will pop through the hole, indicating it's locked in place. Then we're gonna repeat the same process with arm 2, inserting it into the opening labeled 2 on the opposite side of the base. Again, press the brass button, slide the arm down, and listen for the click. I'm gonna line it here, and we're gonna hear a click. There we go. Lastly, double check that both handles are locked securely and do not shift when gently pulled. So here I go, I'm gonna flip this over. This is the way it's supposed to be, and everything is very secure. Now also, if you wanted to adjust how this goes together, depending on your size and your width, you can also bring these into the second hole here, okay? So everybody's different, it just depends on what feels the most comfortable for you. Now, these are the anti-shift locking clamps. You will need to adjust these later, but for now, you don't have to screw them all the way. You could just connect them a little bit. So I'm turning here, and as you can see, that is how this works. This one goes the opposite way. I'm not going all the way here because obviously we'll adjust it later, but that's what we're looking at here. And that's it. With a quick and tool-free setup, the AltiCare non-slip raised toilet seat is ready for installation. We really hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips and maintenance instructions, check out your product manual, which is this right here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us today or visit mobilepatientlift.com. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.